Alright guys, welcome to United by Trucks. I am super pumped about this episode, and well, it's starting to rain right about the time I get this going, but I thought that before we jump into all the cool 100K giveaway prizes, if you will, that we have for you guys, I thought I'd take a minute, run mud around the block, get it warmed up, and then take it back to the shop and we'll show you what we got going on for the 100K giveaway. But thought I'd take this moment to just chat with you guys and really kind of level set with you. Honestly, never thought when I started the channel that I would be in a place where we'd be doing a 100,000 subscriber giveaway. After the first year or two, I actually thought we might hit it a lot quicker than we did, but a lot of that is due to the fact that I had a day job and was running all over the place trying to do too much at one time. And I'm happy to report, and there'll be more coming on this, that I've actually gone full time with UBT and UBT Media. So I left my corporate career aside, and I'm ready to fully jump in on my passion for trucks and media and videography and photography, and start bringing you guys more quality content more consistently. That's kind of what I've been doing over the last couple months. I'm splitting my time between United by Trucks and UBT Media, which is the media company that my wife and I kind of spun off of UBT to help others in the automotive industry communicate their brand better to their audience, to their customer base. That is obviously a very awesome thing that I'm super blessed to do. If you've seen the shop videos, you see where we have a working shop, but then we have an office area where my wife and I are essentially running both businesses out of. Obviously, she's become a very big asset to what we do on the media side and with UBT. So you'll still see a lot of the same faces around, especially when it comes to wrenching, but know that, you know, me and a small group of folks are putting these videos together for you guys. All that said, there have been a lot of changes over United by Trucks for the last few years, and I really appreciate those of you who are this core group of UBT folks who have stuck with me on the channel. We have a lot of exciting things coming, as I mentioned, but one thing that will not change is my passion for these trucks and my passion and love for you guys and all that you've done to support me and my family and my friends and the companies who support us. That won't change. But this video is not necessarily about me. It's about you guys and what you've done to help us get to this huge milestone from a YouTube perspective. 100,000 people that have clicked subscribe on the channel. I mean, that's just really, really cool. I'm super flattered and super appreciative of that, and I do not take that lightly, which is why in this video we're giving back to you guys, and I'm super jacked to offer this package, this giveaway package to you guys that any guy or gal can use on their truck or classic car, and I'm just really, really stoked about this. So I'm almost to the shop, which is another cool thing about all this full-time stuff, is that my house and the shop are a mile from each other. So a lot more efficiency, you know, being able to work here, optimize my time at the shop, and then get back home, be with family, be with friends, and not have a 45-minute drive just to get to the shop. So I'm about to pull up now, and we're gonna go inside and check out what we're giving away to you guys and tell you how easy it is to win this giveaway package from United by Trucks for the 100,000 subscriber giveaway. Appreciate you guys. Let's get inside. Okay guys, am I so pumped to tell you about all that's laying out right here. I'm not gonna bore you with every little minute detail about these products, but I am gonna tell you that one person is gonna win all of this plus more that's not even on this table. So this is the 100K subscriber giveaway. This is all about giving back to you guys for all the support that you've given me and my friends on this channel over the last 5 years. And I am so stoked that these companies have stepped up to give you the ultimate, I'm gonna call it the ultimate classic truck package to give away to you guys so that one lucky winner can put all of this in their truck. So just really quickly, let's talk about some of the brands that are represented here and the one that's actually not. We've got Continental here. We've got Tinworks as a part of this giveaway. We've got Sweet Patina. We've got Holley. We've got Boyd Welding and Slosh Tubs, as well as Auto Metal Direct. I didn't have an opportunity to go grab a sample of what they're giving away and have out here. Just know that Auto Metal Direct is a big part of what we do at UBT, and they are a big part of what we're going to be giving away in this 100K giveaway bundle. So let's start with Auto Metal Direct. They're going to be providing one lucky winner with their 73 to 80 square body Chevrolet GMC trim kit, their new, I believe it's 79 to 91 steering wheel that they just started reproducing, and their 81 to 91 high hump trans tunnel kit for you LS swap guys who need more room in the trans tunnel. So big thanks to Auto Metal Direct for providing that. Let's switch gears over to Continental. I got a couple of new Continental tires here. These are the Extreme Contact DWS 06, a set that I have in the shop that I use for promo and that I may end up actually putting on a truck soon. As a part of this package, one lucky winner will receive any choice of 4 Continental tires of their choosing. So, like I said, I have these in DWS 06 Extreme Contacts, but that doesn't mean that you can't go pick out their Extreme Force. It doesn't mean that you can't pick out something that's for your daily driver that's a little more on the highway side, or an all-terrain tire. Continental stepped up, giving you the choice to choose 4. I have a certificate that you'll fill out, and we'll send that in, and they'll ship you those tires right to your door. Tinworks has stepped up and is offering $100 off anything on their website, which is very, very cool. If you guys saw the last video, you know that we're gonna be working with Tinworks on our OBS race truck, and their parts are really quality stuff, and they are great folks. So I'm super stoked to have Tinworks a part of this. Oh, and before we go any further, the only way that you can enter into this giveaway, and the only thing you have to do is hit the link down below, head over to our website, and subscribe for the 100K giveaway. Basically, all you're doing is entering in your email address. That's it. You're joining the UBT community, you're making sure that we have your email address, and that's how you get entered to win. So there are quite a number of you who've already signed up, and if you're watching this video right now, you can comment and all that. I'd love that, but we really want you to go sign up on the website. Sweet Patina has kicked in and is going to be sending you guys one of their Patina Care kits. We're actually still trying to figure out what all that is going to include, but if I know Blake, if I know Sweet Patina, it's going to be something really, really awesome for you guys. You guys know that we use their patina sauce. We obviously use their TKO wipes and all of their other cleaning products, including their Century polish here in the shop, and it's just really quality stuff, and we want to make sure that you guys have some Sweet Patina in your hands. These two things in front of me are something I'm really, really excited about, because they work together to give you fuel injection, to give you reliability, to give you that turn of the key and fire up of your vehicle with the same mannerisms every single time, really in a complete package. So between Boyd Welding and Holley, you've got the new Sniper 2 EFI kit, which is a completely redesigned electronic fuel injection kit for your typical carbureted applications. This is the master kit. So it's got fuel lines, it's got fuel pumps, it's obviously got your carburetor style throttle body, it's got a PDM, it's got your Hyper Spark, it's got everything from ignition to fuel to intake of that fuel via this 4-barrel throttle body. So I think the perfect complement to this Sniper 2 complete EFI master kit is this Boyd Welding EFI kit. This actually has an Aeromotive Stealth 340 pump in it. We're going to be using this one on our OBS, but they actually do make them for other trucks, all the C10s. This one lucky winner is getting the fuel pump in the Sniper 2 EFI kit, but you'll have options because Boyd has decided that they want to give away an EFI kit, a full full tank with the Aeromotive Stealth 340 rollover vent, all of that to complement the Sniper 2 EFI. So you'll have some options there. And if for some reason you don't want to end up running the Sniper 2, you already have EFI, you're an LS guy, well, you got a cool tank coming your way if you happen to be the lucky winner. And then finally, slosh tubs. Most of you guys at home, if you're a truck guy, especially a classic truck guy at home, you know that slosh tubs has been the go-to for inner fenders, for firewall panels. They've become known and started producing bucket seat bracketry for a lot of these classic trucks, and they've got them where they'll really span the entire classic truck range. But as a part of this giveaway, they're giving half off of any set of their slosh tubs inner fenders to help you get lower in your truck and still have plenty of room and cover your tread. So I borrowed these from Rick from SQR BDY because I didn't have an example here in the shop. These are the square body factory AC mild tubs. So these will go really, really well with a good static drop. And if you want to keep your factory AC, these tubs are the way to go. These companies are some amazing companies that have really stepped up. When I reached out to them just a couple of weeks ago, everybody that I asked said yes. Again, it's Continental tires, a full set of Continental tires, $100 off anything on the TenWorks website, Holley Sniper 2 EFI Master Kit, Sweet Patina Patina Care Kit, Boyd Welding EFI tank with the Aeromotive Stealth 340 included, slosh tubs, inner fenders to cover your tread, and Auto Metal Direct super cool square body kit that includes trim, a steering wheel, and a trans tunnel. We're gonna give it all to one lucky winner, and all you have to do is go to unitedbytrucks.com, sign up for the 100K giveaway just by including your email address, and you are entered to win. We will be announcing this giveaway. Hear me out right here. Announcing this giveaway in a video, picking the winner on September 30th. So make sure that if you see this video between now and September 30th, you head over to unitedbytrucks.com, put your email address in the 100K giveaway, and one lucky winner, maybe you, could win all of this awesome, awesome product from these partners for United by Trucks. Again, thank you so much for all you do for the channel. Really has just changed my life, honestly. And UBT would not be what it is without you guys. And I just want to say thank you. And I hope that you recognize this giveaway as a bit of a thank you. So thank you guys. We'll catch you on the next one.